Start. Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of automata theory and formal languages. And what is that topic is? That topic is Griebach normal form. Griebach normal form is a normal form which is generally used for the parsing the string in the compiler design. So it is very important to learn what is Griebach normal form, what are the rules to convert that particular given grammar into Griebach normal form. Okay, in the automata theory and formal languages there are two types of normal form. One is Chomsky normal form and the second is Griebach normal form. So before going to start the Griebach normal form, you must know what is CNF and how to convert a given grammar into CNF. So what is actually a Griebach normal form is a context free grammar. Any context free grammar is in GNF, that is in Griebach normal form if the production are in the following forms. What are the forms? Production forms are allowed in GNF, that is a terminal symbol drives a non-terminal symbol. Here capital A, any capital symbol is called as non-terminal symbol, and any small symbol, small letter symbol is called a terminal string or terminal symbol. So first type of production that GNF allows is a non-terminal gives you a terminal symbol, only single terminal. Okay, and the second thing is only allowed production in GNF is any non-terminal derives a terminal followed by any non-terminal symbols. Okay, means one is non-terminal, one is terminal and followed by many non-terminal symbols. So only these types of productions are allowed in GNF, that is Griebach normal form. A tends to small b, that is a non-terminal tends to terminal, or a non-terminal drives a string that contains only a single terminal followed by many number of non-terminal symbols. So only these types of strings are productions are allowed in GNF. So to convert a CFG, we have to convert every production in these two types of productions. Then that productions will be, or that grammar will be a Griebach normal form. For example, suppose this Griebach normal form, how to convert a particular CFG, into a Griebach normal form. There are three steps you have to follow. First thing is just remove the unit production and null production. Only first step in GNF, while converting a CFG to GNF, you have to remove this unit or null production, right, if they exist in the CFG. Second step is verify whether that CFG is in CNF or not. CNF is Chomsky normal form, means you have to verify whether that given grammar, that is context free grammar CFG, is in CNF or not. If it is not in CNF, then first step is to convert that CFG into CNF. Remember this point, you have to remove the unit production, you have to remove the null production, then after you have to convert the CFG into CNF. Okay, after converting the CFG into CNF, now what is the next step after converting the CFG to CNF? We have to convert that CNF to GNF, that is Griebach normal form. And what are the allowed production? Non-terminal leads to only a single terminal, and non-terminal drives a string that contains one terminal and many non-terminal symbols. Okay, many non-terminal symbols. Only these two types of productions are allowed in GNF. What to do after two steps? The third step says change the name of the non-terminal. Okay, change the name of the non-terminal symbols into some a of I. Every non-terminal should be replaced by some ai. Ai means order of I, ascending order of I, where I may be 1, 2, 3, 4. It depends on the number of non-terminals symbols in the given grammar. Means we have to replace every non-terminal with A1 or A2 or A3 or A4 and so on. Clear? The third step is very important. After converting to CNF, replace every non-terminal with A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay, given order of AI, and I have to arrange that AI in the ascending order. And next is if there is left recursion. Okay, if there is left recursion, then we have to remove that left recursion. Left recursion means a non-terminal A2, there is more again A2 A3 or something, means this type of productions are called a left recursion. Then we have to remove this left recursion. This is not allowed in CFG. Now let's discuss one important example, how to convert a particular CFG to GNF. Remember the steps. Okay, remember the steps. What are the steps? Only allowed production is, that is A tends to alpha, where alpha is single non-terminal, single terminal, and A is non-terminal. Also allowed production is A tends to alpha, then beta or anything, any non-terminal, means single terminal followed by many non-terminals. Only these types of productions are allowed. And remember these steps. What are these steps? Remove null productions, remove unit productions, convert that grammar to CNF, then remove the left recursion, and after removing the left recursion, replace every non-terminal with the order of A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. Okay, now let's see the example. Here is start symbol S is given as S drives CABB, and second symbol non-terminal B drives small b or SB, C drives B, A drives A. Now closely monitor these given production. This is CFG, okay, no doubt it is CFG. CFG is given, but it does not follow the GNF properties. Here this is okay, this is okay, because a non-terminal string is driving a single terminal. Non-terminal is driving or gives you a terminal symbol, so it is okay. Even B drives small b is also okay, right? But look at this, S tends to CA or BB and B tends to SB. These productions are not GNF form, not in GNF form, don't satisfy the GNF properties. So how to convert that? How to convert these grammar, these productions or the given grammar into CFG? Now remember these steps. First check, is there any null production or unit production? No, there is no null production, no unit production. Okay, so we have to skip this step 1. Again, the given grammar is already in CNF. Okay, I told you earlier, before going to study GNF, you must know how to convert the CNF back, because CNF is another topic, important topic. You must know how to convert the given CFG in CNF. But these type of productions are allowed in CNF. That is S tends to 2 non-terminal or 1 non-terminal drives 2 non-terminal. Okay, this is Chomsky normal form, it is allowed, but GNF it is not allowed. So it is already in CNF, we can skip step 2 also. Now going to the third step, and remember the third step. What is the third step? Third step is replace every non-terminal with the order of AI. Replace each non-terminal with some AI in ascending order of I. Okay, what are the non-terminals in the given grammar? Here S is non-terminal, then C is another non-terminal, A is another non-terminal, B is another non-terminal. Now look, all the productions, there are only 4 non-terminals. Okay, so replace S with A1, ascending order of AI. Okay, C, next non-terminal is C with A2, next non-terminal A with A3, and the last or fourth non-terminal is B, replace with B with A4. Okay, so this is the third step. Replace every non-terminal with the order of AI. Okay, A1, A2, A3, A4. Now what is the next step? Next step is rewrite the given grammar, replace every non-terminal with the A1, A2, A3 or A4. Now here I am rewriting the grammar. Remember, this is the grammar: S for A1, B for A2, C for A2, A for A3 and B for A4. After replacing with these, new type of grammar is A1, this is A1 drives A2, A3, A4, A4, and A4 drives B or A1, A4, A2 drives B and A3 drives A. What we have done here, we just replaced every non-terminal with symbol A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on. right. So, new